Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send a voice message on WhatsApp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that you should click on the chat button down below, which is the fourth option. After that, select your community, tap on this microphone icon down below on the right side corner, click on settings, select the application and tap on microphone on the right side of the screen. Go back to WhatsApp. Might take a few seconds. Tap on this X button, click on the camera icon again, and then you should hold to record and release to send it. So here you can see your voice message. As you tap your finger on it, you can mark it with a star, mark it as important, reply to it, forward it, or also delete it. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.